ranch mind faced a unique challenge when a family in Phoenix approached them. While a new modern home to replace their outdated ranch house wasn't unusual, the twist was extraordinary. After 2 failed attempts with other architects, the husband wanted to surprise his wife with the dream home they'd both envisioned. Intrigued by the sentimental risk, the firm took on the project. The result was a stunning 2-story oasis perfectly tailored to their family's needs. The main house, a contemporary masterpiece, featured black brick volumes and expansive sliding glass doors on the first floor. These doors opened seamlessly to the front and backyards, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Atop the black base sat a crisp white stucco box, creating a striking contrast. Warm wood accents, present in the front door and glass door frames, added a touch of elegance and natural beauty. Inside, the first floor buzzed with activity. Open living spaces fostered connection, while a dedicated gym provided a space for exercise. A thoughtfully placed guest bedroom accommodated visitors, and the primary suite ensured the couple had a peaceful retreat. Upstairs, dedicated havens for the children fostered their individuality. A den offered a cozy space to relax, a homework area facilitated learning, and a conveniently located laundry room minimized chores. Across the backyard, a detached guest house, fully wheelchair accessible, offered comfortable accommodation for the grandparents. Anchoring the east side of the space, it created a charming courtyard around the existing pool, a cherished element the family wanted preserved. The ranch mind's innovative design not only met the family's functional needs, but also delivered an emotional surprise, transforming the couple's long-held dream into a beautiful reality.